So we were categorizing the function of the social institutions to two parts. The first one was the primary institution, the other one was the secondary institutions. So primary institutions, we have a family. So that is the subject, or this is a chapter of our today discussions. So family institutions, first we need to understand that what is a family. Family is a group of two or the more person related by birth, marriage, or adoptions who live together. All such related person are considered as a member of one family. Let's talk about the different types of the family. We basically categorized and classified the families into 7 different forms. Based on birth, based on the marriage, based on the residence, based on the ancestry or descent, based on the authority, based on the relationships nature, and based on their stat or the natures. So each classifications further have different types, or the each types have further classifications. So first one is the based on the birth, and we have the family orientation. This the family in which an individual is born in his family of orientations. So first kids when he born, so you can say he's a orientation, or you can say he's the starter of his family, so that's become the family of orientations. The other one is family of procreation, the family where an individual set up after his or her marriage in his her family of procreation. The family of orientation and procreation may live together under the same roof but can still be distinguished. The other one based on marriage. So we have categorized that form into 3 different types. The monogamous family, this family consists of one husband and wife including children, and is based on the monogamous marriage. The other one is a polygynous family, a family consisting of one husband, more than one wife, and all the children born to all the wives or adopted by each of them. This type of family has its basis in the polygynous form of marriage. The other one is polyandrous family, a family made up of one wife or more than one husband and the children either born or adopted with each of them. This family is based on polyandrous marriage. Let's talk about the third classification based on the residence. So based on the residence, we further categorize into 3 parts. The first is the matrilocal residence. When a couple stays in the wife house, the family is known as the family matrilocal residence, while the patrilocal residence is something when family stays in the house of the husband. The family is known as the family of patrilocal residence. The third one is the family of changing residence. When a family stays in the husband house for some time and then moves to the wife house, stays there for a period of time and then moves back to the husband's parents, or the starts living in one another place, the family is called family of changing residence. The fourth is based on the ancestry or descent. So we again categorize into 2 parts. The first one is the matrilineal family. When ancestry or the descent is straight through the family female line or through the mother sides, the family is called matrilineal family. While the patrilineal family, a family in which the authority is carried down the male line, and descends is straight through the male line or the father side, is called patrilineal family. The fifth is based on the authority. So matrilineal matriarchal family. Matriarchal families are generally found in the matrilineal societies. In these families, a woman is the head of the family and the authority is vested in her. So succession of the property is through the female line. Only daughters inherited the property. After marriage, the husband residence is the wife house and descent is traced through the mother side. Here children are brought up in the mother house. Thus in the matriarchal societies, the matrilocal system exists. Matriarchal families are found only in matrilineal societies, which are very limited in the number of all over the world. They are found in the parts of Latin America and India. So other one is patriarchal family. Patriarchal families are commonly found in all parts of the world, since most societies in the world are patrilineal societies. In the patriarchal families, the head of the family is a male and authority is in the hand of the male. So descent and the property is passed through the male line, and the children are brought up in the father house. Such families are patrilocal in nature. The other one is based on the nature of the relationship. So the first one is conjugal family. So conjugal family is made up of adults among uh, whom there is a sexual relationships. It refers to the family system of spouses and their dependent children. The emphasis is placed on the marital relationships that exist between spouses. In modern times, the terms conjugal family is being used for the partners who have a long-term sexual relationships but are not actually married. So other one is consanguine family. A consanguine family is made up of members among whom a blood relation exists, or those who are kin. Family consisting of parents, children, or siblings, brothers, sisters, or the brothers and the sisters. So the seventh categorization is based on the state or the structure. So the first one is a nuclear family. A nuclear family is traditionally defined as consisting of mother and the father in a first time marriage and their children. So this is known as nuclear family. Let's talk about the joint family. A joint family consists of three generations living together under the same roof, sharing the same kitchen, and pursue or economic expenses. It is a family consisting of three nuclear family living together. Other one is single parents family. Name suggests a parent who lives with a child or children and no husband, wife, or partner. The other one, extended families, consist of several generations of the pupil and can include the biological parents and their children as well as in-laws, grandpas, and aunts, uncles, and the cousins. So all these combination of the family considered as extended family. The other one is childless family, a family which basically absence or the family without the children or the absence of the children is in an individual life. So childlessness can be considered involuntarily when an individual is unable to have a children for a medical reason, whether known or unexplained. So otherwise, step families, a family that consists of married couple and one or more children from a previous marriage or relationships. Then we have a grandparent family, a family with a grandchildren and no parents present present in the intervening the generations.